In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable your microphone in Google Chrome. Now this is the updated method because Google have changed their user interface. So what you need to do is go ahead and open up Google Chrome, then go to the three dots in the top right hand corner. Then you need to find settings. Now if you're on a newer version of Google Chrome, it might be in a different place, but for now you just want to go ahead and scroll down. And once you're at the bottom here, you'll see help, settings and exit. Go ahead and click on settings. Once you've done that, the easiest way to get to the microphone settings is by going to the search bar and typing in site settings. Once you've done that and you've typed in site settings, you can go ahead and click on the highlighted option, site settings. And now from here, it's going to show you your recent activity. It's also going to show you your permissions. Now under permissions, you'll see your microphone. And sites are going to be able to ask you to use your microphone. So if your microphone isn't working or you just want to enable it, it can be done in the microphone section. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you've got the right microphone selected. So my default microphone is going to be my Rode XCM50. After you've done that, you need to make sure the default behavior is going to be on sites can ask to use your microphone. Now if you've got this turned off, you won't get a message or you won't get a notification asking to use your microphone. So click on this one here, sites can ask to use your microphone. Now you may have some websites which have been banned from using your microphone where you've clicked don't allow and they will be added here. Now if you want to turn your microphone on a specific website, any website that you've used your microphone on before will be shown here. And you can go ahead and click on that website and here you can see all of the permissions and all of these settings. So if you go to microphone, just make sure that it is on allow. Now mine is default set to allow because I've already gave it permission. But for you, if you want to enable it, it might be on block or ask, just change it to allow. Once you've allowed the microphone on that website, it then should be all working. Again, just make sure that you've got your default microphone selected here. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.